Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkem, and if this is your first time here on my channel, you're welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my next upload. And also give this video a huge thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section after watching this video. Of course, let me know what you think about this hairstyle I'm about to do. This is a very simple and easy hairstyle that you can make from the comfort of your home. This is a very simple and easy hairstyle that you can make from the comfort of your home. You can do this by yourself. Also, it is really fast. It takes less than an hour to achieve this hairstyle I'm about to do. So I'm going to start with putting my hair in a bun, and I'm going to use my elastic band to just tie it up, and then I'm going to braid the rest of my hair.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do.
I'm going to apply the Echo styling gel on my hair. I'll use my edge control brush to apply it, and you can use any type of gel that you have.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us.
After applying the Echo styling gel on my hair, I'm going to just tie it up with this edge wrap, and then allow it to sit for some few minutes and then take it down. So guys, this is what I have here. You're supposed to let it dry, but mine is not dried. I'm just going to start with this installation now. This is the extension I'm using. I'm going to take an elastic band and then, just tie it on the extension like I'm doing now. Tie it up and then put it on my hair. After tying the braid extension to my hair, I'm going to take out a little section of the braid extension and then use it to wrap the hair.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today.
So what I'm doing here is just rolling the extension, just roll it tightly before I pass it around the hair or twist it around the hair. Like, you guys are going to see what I'm doing, sha.
Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. We got a party.
I'm going to use my edge control brush and my eco styling gel to lay down the baby hair, and I've already sewed the top of this hair. I had somebody sew it up for me, or you can use your bobby pin to secure it, or you just leave it that way, but I don't know if it will last if you just leave it that way. So guys, this is the final look of this hair. This hair is beautiful. This is stunning, guys. This hair is beautiful. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. And please, if there's any other video you want me to make, if you have any other video idea you want me to make, please leave it in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already. I'll see you all in my next video.
You came with a warning. I should have seen it. My bad for falling. I'm far from perfect, but I know what my worth is. More than you're giving.